Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to post reels on Facebook. First of all, you click on Facebook. By default, you'll be led to the home page. At the top right, you'll be given three icons: a plus sign icon, a search icon, and a messaging icon. Here you click on the first icon that looks like a plus sign, and then you click on reel, which is your third option here. You can choose the video you'd like to post as a reel, and then you can change the audio, and you can add text, effects, and stickers. You can click here to add your text. You can say available. You can move your text. You can add effects. You can choose any of the effects available, and then you can add stickers. After that, you click next, and then you can add any caption or hashtag of your choice, and then you can also share to Instagram when your Facebook is linked to your Instagram account. Then after that, you click on share now. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.